Namaskar everyone. I Nidhi Desai from Neera Global Kids welcome you to our Montessori method presentation. First of all, we do the prayer. Let's do Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhurvashvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Shanti Shanti. Rub your palm, kids. Put on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar everyone. How are you all? Okay kids, now today we are going to start our Montessori method presentation of maths, and let's see what we did in the last video, kids, and tell me what we are going to do. See kids, what are these? These are different size of length bar. These are different size of length bar. You can see this. Okay. In the last video, do you remember what we are going to do here? See this. This is the stand of this length bar, and we have to arrange them in this. Okay. So start from the here, and we are going to down. Okay. So here we can see this length bar is decrease their length. यहाँ पे लेंथ बार की जो लेंथ है वो डिस्क्रीज होती जाएगी, है ना. लेट्स सी हाउ टू अरेंज देम. ओके हियर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू पुट दी फर्स्ट लेंथ बार हियर. ओके. सो विच लेंथ बार आई हैव टू टेक? शुड इट appropriate? Can we see? No. So we are going to take another one. Is it appropriate? Okay. Then after I take one more length bar and put it here. Is it okay? No. So what we have to do? Here we have to take biggest length bar first. Here we have to take biggest length bar first because it is the biggest one. So which length bar is biggest here? This length bar is biggest. So we have to put it here first. Then after we have to find another big length bar. So and we arrange them in this stand. Okay. So now tell me what I do. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Yes, I am arranging this length bar in descending order. I am arranging this length bar in descending order because we can see here the length bar's length is decreasing. यहाँ पे length bar की जो length है वो कम होती जा रही है. Means biggest to smallest होता जा रहा है ना. So we have to arrange these in a descending order. We can say this, we can arrange the descending order biggest to smallest in the length. Okay. Okay kids, let's take another example of descending order. Okay kids, here are the blocks in the different size. Here are the blocks in the different size and we have to arrange them in a descending order. Now tell me which which box we have to take first. Can we see? Tell me. Okay kids, let's arrange these blocks in the descending order. Okay kids, so first of all which box we have to take? Yes, which has big in the size. So which block is big? Tell me. Yes, this is the big block. So we have to take and put it here. Now then after which one we have to take? Tell me. Yes, is this? We can feel this. So this one is appropriate for here. After that, which one will come? Yes, which is the bigger blocks is here. This one is looking big from here. So we have to put it here. After that, which one is coming? Yes, this one is biggest block of these blocks. Then after, we have to take this one. After that, this one. Then after, okay. So here I arrange these blocks in a descending order. We can see this is, we are arrange them in a descending order. Big to small, big to small. Okay. Now this is the revision of our last video. Now today we are going to start our new presentation. Let's see. Okay kids, here are the some numbers and we have to put them in the descending order. Okay kids, so first of all I take some numbers. We say 5, 9, 1 and 3. These 4 numbers I am going to take, and we have to put the rings as per the numbers. So here we have to put the 5 rings first. Here I am going to take 5 rings for 5 numbers. So this orange colors tell us this is the 5 rings. So we have to put it here. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then after we have to put the 9 rings with the 9 number, to which this is the red color is indicate us this is 9 ring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After that 1. So here we have to put the 1 ring. Then after 3. So we take green color for 3, 2 and 3. Now what we have to do? In the last videos we learn the smallest number and biggest number, right? So which is the smallest number? Yes kids, which has a less quantity is the smallest number, and which has a more quantity is it's a biggest number. So now tell me which is the biggest number here? Which has a more quantity? Yes, 9 has more quantity. So 9 is the biggest number, and in the descending order we put the biggest number first. So we have to take from here and put it here. Okay kids. Now then after, so let's put the 9 rings here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After that 3 of these, which is the biggest number? Which has a more quantity? Yes, 5 has a more quantity. So 5 is the biggest number from these 3 number. Okay, so take from here and put after the 9. Okay kids, and put the rings also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now compare between 1 and 3. Which is the biggest number kids? Yes, 3 is the biggest number because it has a more quantity. So 3 is biggest number from 1. So we have to take the 3 and put it after 5, and also put the rings and count. After that 1 we have to put it after number 3. Okay kids, now we can see this biggest to smallest quantity wise, and this is the biggest number to smallest number wise. Right kids, let's take another numbers. Okay kids, here we are going to take another numbers 8, 4, 2, 6. 8, 4, 2 and 6 with their quantity. Here are the 8 ring, 2 rings and 6 with the 6 rings. Okay kids. Now what we have to do? Yes, we have to find the biggest number first, because we are going to arrange this number in a descending order. Now tell me which is the biggest number here? Kids, which has a more quantity? Then tell me, compare these numbers and with their quantities and tell me which has a more quantity. Yes, 8 has a more quantity. We can see this tower also. Okay, so we have to take the number 8 and put it here and with the quantity, and we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay kids. Now which number we are going to take? Yes, we are going to take big number from these 3 numbers. Okay, so which is the big number? Let's compare. Which is the big number? Yes, 6 is the big number because it has more quantity, right? So we have to put them after 8 with their quantity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay kids. Now let's compare the number 4 and 2. So which is the biggest number here? Yes, 4 is the biggest number. Then 2, because 4 has a more quantity. So we have to take the 4 and put it after 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after that we are putting 2 after 4. 1 and 2. So kids, these are arranged in a descending order. 8, 6, 4, 2. 8 rings, 6 rings, 4 rings and 2 rings. We can see this length is decreasing. ये जो लेंथ है वो धीरे धीरे कम होती जा रही है ना. तो these are the descending order. Okay kids, I hope you understand this topic and presentation very well. Thank you. Bye everyone.